When most people think about building an adventure vehicle, they think about tires, lifts, bumpers, racks, lights, that sort of thing. All of those might be important things to think about, but they're not the first thing on my list. First, I think about systems, because if your systems work, the adventure gets better. Welcome to the Adventure Ready series on Anvil Atlas. I hope you'll join me for this multi-part series where we'll be talking about the systems that make you ready for adventure. In this series, we'll be talking about a handful of products that I use, but the point isn't the products. The point is removing friction so you can spend less time managing gear and more time enjoying the journey. This is Anvil Atlas.
Okay, so you're at camp, you're making coffee, you're cooking lunch, you're washing your hands, you're brushing your teeth. You want to rinse off some gear. What do you need? Well, you need some water for that. How many times have you skipped washing your hands because getting to your water was just too much of a hassle? Honestly, where this becomes the biggest issue for me is not even just when I'm camping. If I'm out hunting and I just finished field dressing my game, or I'm out fishing and I've got lake water and fish all over my hands, I need to be able to get cleaned up. Personally, I want something other than bottled water or sanitary wipes for that. Having running water at camp or out of the back of your Jeep is a must-have. And in order to accomplish that, you need a system that will work for you.
So for my water philosophy, I tend to look at this in three different categories. Drinking needs to be easy to refill my water bottle. Cooking needs to be convenient, especially if I'm making coffee or cheating a bit for dinner and making one of those dehydrated mountain meals. And then certainly cleaning. The water needs to be accessible, whether I'm washing my hands or cleaning off gear. Different uses, different priorities. To carry my water, I chose the Dometic Go water jug because it works as a part of a broader system. American Adventure Labs makes these jug mounts that I've mounted to the rear cargo rack, keeping them completely out of the way. Their water faucet mount, made for the Dometic Go water faucet, attaches to the tailgate of the Jeep and comes with a longer hose so you can route the hose from the jugs to the faucet. My system is obviously tailor-made for the Jeep, but the Dometic Go water system will work great with just about any vehicle setup. And of course, I could easily refill the jugs when I'm out on the road if needed. The goal wasn't to carry the most water. The goal was to make water easy to use.
Now, if I had to do it all over again, would I do anything differently? The answer is sort of. To be honest, this Dometic-based system has been with me now through 3 different vehicles. Originally in my 2-door JK Rubicon, then in my GMC Sierra AT4, and now in my current Jeep. What I didn't have in the JK that I do have in my Jeep now was a good place to store the water jugs, because I didn't have a cargo rack like what I have now, and what I didn't have in my truck was a good place to mount the faucet. So with those 2 issues solved in this vehicle, I think I'm at a pretty good place. What I don't have a great solution for at this point is water for showers. Now, I do have this Nemo camp shower, which works decently enough, but if it's full of water, it takes up a lot of space. What I'm trying to figure out now is if I fill this thing up at home before I leave for wherever I'm going, and then mount it to the roof rack and simply route the shower head somewhere that it's above me so I can easily take a shower, or at least wash my hair, my face, that sort of thing. I don't love the idea of just strapping the shower to the rack on its own, but I'm sure I could find some sort of box to keep it in and strap that to the roof. If there's any part of my system that still has some gaps in it, that's it. But a lot of that is because the use case for a shower just isn't as common as all the things that I've mentioned that I use my Dometic Go system for.
So, does this system meet my adventure ready checklist? Easy to access, enough capacity, fast to refill, easy to clean, doesn't waste space. Overall, adventure ready? Yes. Adventure isn't just about being able to carry more gear. It's about removing the little frustrations that keep you from enjoying the trip. And water is one of the easiest places to start. Hey, thanks for watching Anvil Atlas. If you like the video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd invite you to do that and stay with me through this Adventure Ready series, plus other Jeep and off-roading related adventures and exploration. And remember, whether on the trail
or on the road. I'll see you out there.